It has been such a humbling experience, when you're in a room full of powerful women and you get to learn from them. As much as I was coming to give a short lecture on digital security, I have learned so much from everyone in this room. And the one thing that I'm taking home with me is the enthusiasm that is in this room. It's so infectious, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much for the invite.
I'm grateful, I'm happy, I'm even thankful to the organizers for having such an event and coming to celebrate women and embracing unity. And also I'd like to thank today's speaker. I think most of the things around digital, use of digital platforms has not been spoken about so many times or frequently, but I think I've appreciated most of the things that I've learned from today's session and from our today's speaker. So yeah, cheers to you all, and thanks for your time.
I'm feeling very inspired. I'm also feeling very celebrated, to be amongst women doing great things, thinking great thoughts. So it's been a very great Saturday here.
We got this opportunity to interact, to network, to get to know each other. So yeah, it's been a good day.